Hi, my name is Jarrod. I'm the Repair Center Manager here at BARTEC. And today, I'm going to show you how to replace the keypad on MC92, which is the only thing you can replace yourself. Let's get to it. Now, on this MC92, it has a damaged keypad. Now, if you have a damaged keypad yourself, you can replace it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But another reason why you may want to send your device in, it could be more than just the keypad issues. It could be damage behind it, could be damage on the inside of the device. You won't be able to check that, and I can do a full inspection on it. I'm a certified tech, that's what I do. Now, another reason you may want to send your device in to get repaired is because you have a damaged screen. So you got damaged top housing here, a damaged keypad, and a damaged trigger. Also, there could be more damage done on the inside. You must send this in to get repaired. The tools I have today is a new keypad, Phillips head screwdriver, a stylus for testing the screen, and a battery to make sure the unit powers on, of course. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to take your Phillips screwdriver. You got two screws right here that you want to remove. These are black screws, so you want to be careful when you take them out if you have a black floor, because it's possibly they can end up falling and you may lose them. Now, you want to take your keypad, pull down, and pull out. Once again, you want to pull down and pull out. Now, the reason why you want to do that is because there's contacts right here. These contacts make communication to the back of the keypad. And if you mess that up, it can be a more expensive repair for you. I'm going to take my brand new keypad. There's grooves, lined it up. Go ahead and pull back and push down. Now, I want you to know you can only replace another keypad with a similar keypad. So if you have a 53 keypad, you're going to replace with another 53 keypad. If it's 23, you're going to replace with 23. Go ahead and take your battery, push it in, and that's how you replace the keypad. Now that was how you replace a keypad on the MC92, the only thing you can replace yourself. Now, once again, you may want to send it in because I can do a full inspection on it. Also, just a reminder, you can only replace the same 53 with 53. If you want to change it to a 23 or a VT emulation, you must send that in. You'll have to send it in because we got to change the configuration of the label and what's going on inside. So that's the reason why that you will have to send it in to get repaired. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, service@bartec.com. Also, you can check out bartecshop.com. And once again, my name is Jarrod. I'm the Repair Center Manager here at BARTEC, and thank you for watching this video.